Okay, one of the wires was slightly loose, and see where it comes out. That white one there. So how does this work? What's the connector seems to be corroded. I can't figure out how to unsnap it without really jacking it up. But it looks like the portion of the connector from the side that I'm holding with my hand up through the door needs to be replaced. So is that a replaceable item, and then what am I getting into for trying to thread that through there? That's about all I can figure out. Right now, that wire, since it came out, is loose. It finally came out, is now the dispenser won't operate at all. So any pointers, greatly appreciated. Thank you, sir.